125.
125. All right. I'm gonna read some instructions to you.
Sure.
And then we'll get started. The test consists of 4 riding exercises that measure your motorcycle control and hazard response skills. The final 2 exercises involve speeds of about 15 miles per hour. You'll be scored on time and distance standards, as well as path and foot down violations. The test may be ended for point accumulation, committing an unsafe act, or failure to understand or follow instructions. You may stop the test at any time, but you must complete the entire test to pass it. Do you understand the instructions I've just read?
Absolutely.
All right. Engine stalling. Points are assessed if you stall your engine at any time during an exercise. Stalling the engine 4 times during this test is an automatic failure. Do you understand those instructions that I just read?
Yes.
All right. So the first exercise is a cone weave normal stop. When signaled, ride to the right of the first cone, to the left of the second, and so on. We've passed all 5 cones without touching or skipping a cone or putting a foot down. Turn left and ride towards that side of the course. Make a smooth, non-skidding stop with your front tire inside that white painted box. Okay?
Okay.
Do not allow your bike to roll in either direction once you are stopped, and just wait for my signal, okay?
Sure.
Do you have any questions with this one?
Maybe just wait for this guy.
Yeah, no, I'm going to get him out of the way right now. Are you here for a road test? Yes. I'm trying to do a test. Let's do it. What's your question? You're okay. What's up? Thank you. All right, so remember, ride to the right of the first one, left of the second, so on. Once you're complete with the 5th cone, just circle around and stop with your front tire inside this white painted box.
Sure.
Go ahead whenever you're ready. Yellow T facing this way. Perfect. Next exercise is turn from a stop, U-turn. When signaled, make a right turn between the boundary lines. Do not touch either line or put a foot down. Diagonally cross the opposite side of the range and make a left U-turn inside the painted box at the far end of the range. Do not touch the solid line or put a foot down. Stop with your front tire inside this white painted box and wait for further instructions. So from right here, you're going to make a right turn in between these boundary lines, okay?
Okay.
Then you're going to diagonally cross this side of the course.
Okay.
Anywhere you want. Your half a box for your U-turn. You see the dashed white line?
I do.
That is your boundary line. Solid white, solid white. So you have to do a U-turn inside that half box, okay?
Okay.
Stop with your front tire in this white painted box.
Sure.
When you're complete. Do you have any questions with this?
I think we're good.
All right, man. Whenever
Thank you.
you're ready, go ahead. All right. Next exercise is quick stop. Position your motorcycle on this T. On my signal, accelerate straight up this path. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach this first line. So somewhere between 12 and 18 by the time you reach the first line, okay?
Okay.
Maintain a steady speed. When your front tire crosses the second solid line, you're going to stop as fast and safely as you can.
Okay.
You will not lose points if you skid. Once stopped, do not allow your bike to allow your motorcycle to roll in either direction, okay?
Okay.
Just stop right there and just wait for me to walk up to you, okay?
Sure.
Do you have any questions with this one?
I think we're good.
All right, wait for my signal because it's timed, okay?
All right. I didn't make it to the line. Is that all right?
Sure. All right, go back to the same tee. All right, last one. Obstacle swerve. Start at the same tee. On my signal, accelerate straight up this path. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach that first line again. Maintain a steady speed. When your front tire passes the second line, swerve to the left or to the right. Okay, you get to pick. Avoid the obstacle line that's directly in front of you. It's the first red line that's in front of you, okay?
Okay.
That's a 2x4 in the road. The red lines on the side are the curbs on the road.
Okay.
Okay, avoid those red lines. You can swerve to the left or to the right. You pick.
Okay.
Do you have any questions with this one?
I think we're good.
All right, man. Give me a second. Go ahead when you're ready. Right here at the front. Good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Let me get your signature. Sign your name right on this line. And then what's a good phone number for you?
734. Yeah.
All right. So what's going to happen, give me a minute here. I'm going to send you a text message. It's going to be your receipt from the state of Michigan.
Okay.
Follow the instructions on the bottom portion of the receipt, and that's it. You're all done. You don't have to go back to Secretary of State. None of that. It's all set.
Okay.
All right? You're all set. Good
All
job.
right. Thanks, man.
No
Appreciate
problem,
it.
man. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.